Hello viewers, and that's your friend Reverend Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about family. Oh! Today we are in our poultry farm and we are in our week 15 of our layer production. These are birds. I'm trying to get week 15. A few weeks from now, we shall be having eggs all over the places. I just want to show us the stage we are in our bird production, week 15. And week 15, the life of the birds, I don't think that we are doing badly and they are doing well. So I want to continue to encourage our youths and those who intend going into poultry production that it is more especially layer production, that it is possible when you are determined, you are committed, you can be able to have a good result. Once more, I remain that your friend, Reverend Father Michael Obudu, Catholic priest who is so passionate about family. Thank you and God bless you.